Hi there. Now for this question then, you had to sketch the graph of y equals a third x squared plus 8 and the graph of y equals 3x plus k, indicating where the graphs cross the y-axis and the x-axis. And you can see from these results here that this graph crosses the y-axis at 8 and this graph crosses at y equals k, and it crosses the x-axis at x equals minus k over 3. Now, just in case you had a problem in drawing these, I'll just take you through how I thought about them anyway. And that is that for something like this, I just thought of the graph of y equals x squared, which we should be familiar with, is a parabola, a U-shaped parabola passing through the origin. And then when you multiply it by a third, what that's going to do is kind of widen it a bit, okay? So you're going to get a slightly wider parabola. And then adding 8 just translates the graph up 8 units. So just simply from a sketch point of view, I knew to do that. Take a U-shaped parabola and just move it up from the origin 8 units. So you can see where it crosses the y-axis. When x is 0, y would equal 8. And as for L, this had the form y equals mx plus c, the form of a straight line. So I knew it had to be a line then, okay, a straight line. And it was just a question of seeing it had a positive gradient, so I knew it was going to slope like this. And I also know that when x is 0, when you sub it in here, y equals k, the point of intersection with the y-axis. And k is a positive constant, we're told, so it had to be on the positive part of the y-axis. And then by substituting y equals 0 into here, you can work out what the x-coordinate will be where it crosses the x-axis, which turns out to be minus k upon 3. Okay, so I hope that helps.